Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're a subscriber. If you're not, kindly press the bell icon right now. So a lot of people have been asking what to include in the My Notebook, the 20th notebook, the Choti copy, and what are the benefits, how to make it. So I will just quickly rush through this because it's very important that you have this notebook with yourself and have your own My Notebook. That's the essence of it. So what all to be included? So first of all, you will be including the PYQs that you are doing. So as suggested, you have to do 100 and 100 questions, like 100 questions in the morning, 100 in the evening. PYQs every day. That's what I've suggested in my main video for the 6-month plan. So I want you to firstly include the PYQs. Secondly, you will be including the subject-wise test के questions, also the grand test के questions, and if you're watching like the Delta videos or the MCQ discussion videos from Prep Ladder or Cerebellum, so you will be including those also. And any tables and pearls, if you think they are really important, you will be including those in your My Notebook. Now I've told you 5 things to be included, but please keep in mind you don't have to write it blindly. You have to condense the information. Like if you're giving a 100 question PYQ ka custom module today, and suppose you scored like 45 or 50 whatever, so you don't have to write all the 50 remaining or write all the 100 questions. What you have to do is go through the solutions very nicely, and if you think that this is the question that I might do wrong again, or this is the question that needs to be revised, or I will forget it at the time of the exam again. I've done it right this time, but I might just forget that time. So you have to condense that information, and you have to like almost put it on a sticky note like this size. You have to make it really condensed and bullet form piece of information and include it in your My Notebook. Your My Notebook ka page has to look very filled, doesn't have to have space. Make boxes everywhere, and keep including the small snippets everywhere of information. So these things, all the 5 things that I've told you, are going to be very high. That's why they are to be put in the My Notebook. Information might overlap over time, and that is all okay. The most important thing is not segregating the subjects. A lot of people are asking, should I do patho on one page, pharma on the second, and so on, like micro on the third one. Like, you don't have to segregate the information. That's the essence of it. You have to keep continuously making those boxes and making those pages in the My Notebook, so that when you are revising, you are not focusing on any one subject and you are revising everything all together. That's the essence of it. So when you are revising the My Notebook, you will get review of all the subjects, and you will realize, like, yeah, this is asked in gynae also, this is asked in micro also. So, and the system of the examination is continuously going towards a systemic approach and not towards a subject based approach. So that will help you immensely. So I would recommend you doing it this way, right? And what will be the benefit? The benefit will surely be seen by you when you practice this thing for a couple of weeks. Keep revising the My Notebook from the first page till the last page daily. It won't take much of your time, and it will surely help all of those people whose GT marks are stuck at a certain level, whose number of corrects are stuck at a certain level. These guys will start improving their GT scores, start improving their number of corrects. That's a promise. Keep doing it for a couple of weeks and then come back to this video or come back to this channel. Make sure you're part of the community. We are starting with our custom modules. We have already started with our custom module thing on a daily basis, and be part of the community and grow together. Thank you.